Let me just run through a quick demo of how to do the log cabin, the log component. So I'm going to draw this one first. 3/4, 7/16, down a quarter. So up 3/4 over 7/16, down 3/4. And I don't even have to go down. I can use my little target lines. And now I come down a quarter each way, offset 1/4. And I know the whole thing is 1 5/8. So let me do an offset of 1-5/8. Cool. Okay. And now this is a cool thing. If I do a line all the way across, I can mirror. And there's only one way to do it. There are tons of ways to do this. I can mirror across the midpoint. Do that again. Mirror, cross. Not doing a very good job of this. Mirror this stuff. Cross the midpoint. There we go. And now I can get rid of that. Draw my extra little lines in. Get rid of what I don't want. And trim. So there's that one. Now this one, I can do kind of the same thing. I see it's 4 5/8. So let me make a copy of this. And you don't need to put the dimensions on this. You're just doing the commands. And I'm gonna erase some of this stuff. Now I won't erase it yet. I'll draw my line 4 5/8. 4-5/8. And then I can mirror. Not going to need that one. So I can mirror all the rest of it. About the midpoint. Do that every time I hit the wrong button. Go. Now, you can do this any number of ways, but I'm going to make it kind of clean where I get rid of those and then I draw my line. And now I see that this one, oh, it's kind of the same thing. If I take that stuff off and I make one, whoops, I got to make my copy first. And again, there are many, many ways for you to go about drawing this. This is just a way. I don't really care how you do it, as long as you get it right. 7-5/8. And then if I do my mirror of this stuff about my midpoint, and then I've probably got a little bit of extra lines. Oh, looks like it's coming out okay. Okay, so there we go. Now I've got that one done. This one's a little bit more interesting. Let's see. I need to draw this line. How am I going to do that? This one's really interesting. what happens here. So if I do these 7/8, 7/8, let's see. Oh, here it is. 5 1/2 long. So that's cool. And 15/16. Okay, so now I know how to do this. So I'm going to draw my baseline 5 1/2 long. Kind of come down here a little bit. 5 1/2. And then from the midpoint, I'm going to go up. Well, I'm going to come up 5/16 and then 1 5/16. So from my midpoint, I'm going to come up 5/16 and then 1 5/16, 1 5/16. And then these are 5/16 at the end. The trick is I have to draw what I know. Okay. That's cool. Now this is a really weird one. I can offset 1/8 and then I can draw that line and then I can offset these. Okay, so offset 1/8. Get that right. Offset. And then watch, this goes right like that. And now these offsets are 3/4. Isn't that cool how that works? Ooh, and look, it's not quite perfect. Let's see how it looks. Oh, and that's actually not really coming up to that corner up there either. So I can either trim that or do a fillet. Now I can do that all again, or I can just mirror that, right? Let's do a mirror. There might be some extra lines here now. Yep. Okay, now I just have these things. Huh. I have a line that comes straight down from each of those. Let me go ahead and do that. There's a line coming straight down, straight down, straight down. And then I come over 7/8 and then 3/4. And it didn't really tell me how high this is, but I'm going to use a little guess in a little bit. Let me draw over 7/8 and then 7/4, and then what's going to fit in here? See what's going to fit in there? It's going to be this. So I think that goes up 1/4. So I'm going to draw over 7/8, up 1/4, over 3/4, and back down. And then I think I have some trimming to do. There we go. And again, I can mirror those. Oop. I better do the mirror command, not the trim command. There we go. Now I got it. And one more trim. These ones are just copy and move those into place. I'm going to let you do the work on that one. Okay, this is part of, it looks like this one. It's half of this one. These ones look like this one put in place. And these are just some circles that are this 3/4 diameter. And then there's going to be a bunch of trimming. So you'll be able to do that. You do not need to put on all the dimensions. This is just practice for copy, trim, move, things like that.